strategy works. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. This thing right there works. A lot good works. Now the thing is, oh, like, yeah, it's a bit tricky. I mean, it's not tricky. There is a lot of stop loss hits, but then eventually we hit the take profit. Tricky strategy, but it does works. Okay, so alright boys, let's go to sleep. Signing off, because right now the time is exactly 12 o'clock. You wanna see? You can see right here. Let's go. Let's get through it. Man, I'm looking like a duck. My eyes just got inside. Look at this. Look at the sideways. So like this. Have you even saw? Let's go. Good night. Morning. Good morning. Actually, we have the setup right now. We really have the setup right now. But just wanted to make sure is that good setup or not by recording. I haven't even recorded any live trading video. Let's do that as well. OBS, man, I just woke up, man, and now I was heading towards the. I was in washroom and I'm like, holy shit, I have. Oh my god, today is. I'm not looking good at all. Today is the day where we are going to take the trade. So, OBS is installing the update. Man, my eyes are. I really want to sleep, but my eyes are like super, 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 dry. Install and relaunch. So yeah, so to take the decision, we just have 7 minutes in our hand. So technically, OBS would have news. Holy shit! What the fuck happens? Video capture macro screen. आता क्या हो गया? macro audio, macro screen capture. Okay. अरे I mean, what the fuck happened? Okay, we'll see. Start. Configure recording path could not be opened. Please check your recording path under output recordings. अरे यार इसको उगच अपडेट किया ये तो fuck man. Output guys. Let's see. Start recording. Hello. Let me stop it. And I want to see, does my screen is getting recorded or not? Fuck man, yeah, what I should be doing and what I'm doing right now. Oh damn, the screen is not getting recorded. Fuck, bullshit happened, bullshit. Ata? We have 7 minutes. Output video. Base canva is this. Are this is super boring yaar. Fuck happened yaar. Screen's not getting share. अरे यार था विंडो कैप्चर. अरे display OBS. Finally, finally it's coming. It's coming. It's coming. Yeah, yeah. It was not selected. It was like this. Fuck man. Display capture. Window application. No, no. I want whole display. Hush. Fuck. So let's do this. Let me just check it. Is it working or not? Mic is working. What the fuck is this? Let me stop this working. And let me check this file. Check it. Is it working or not? Mic is working. What the fuck is this? Stop this working. Alright. This thing is working now. But output video, this aspect ratio 1920 के ऊपर का output scale is just also need to be same 24191219. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's do this. Hello, welcome back once again. The recording is on. Look at this. This is a setup I'm actually looking into. Yeah, I'm also recording for my blog as well. I can do this by transferring this media into my phone, but hold on. Yeah. Okay, boys. I just woke up, man, and this thing is not looking good to me. I feel like I'm ill or something. Okay, so as we want, we came to the area of interest. There is no weak to the downside. That means so much buyers are coming into picture. The daily, as per we want to make the decision, we really have like 2 to 3 minutes in our hand. So I really have to be gonna quick, be super quick, man. I'm still sleepy. So I was waiting for the candlestick to come to the area of interest. We came. Now we need a shift of structure. But the only con is right now is the 4 hours. As per the data, whenever the 4 hours create a wick into the lower high, it tend it tends to push upside. And also, let me just speak on more confirm. This is a lower high. Yeah, that's not good. Okay, yeah, that is a lower high, and we have wick into the pretty much very good into the lower high. But now the 1 hour is I mean, beautifully shifting bearish, and is going to close within pretty much 1 second. Sorry, 1 minute. Yeah, exactly. So, like, should we take this trade or should 15 minutes is still bullish. 15 minutes is yeah, 15 minutes is still bullish. This shift of structure is not valid until it close under this line. But am I going to take this trade? The question is, am I going to take this trade? Um, I will not take this trade, you know, because while I'm doing back testing, whenever the 4 hours wick into the lower high of the 4 hours or anything, even a daily wick into the lower high, it tends to doesn't look good to me. Okay, I mean, it tends to do loss rather than doing the profit. So my eyes. Let me check. This was my trades which I have already taken on the funded account. Uh, Pretty much it doesn't look good. I mean, I'm just finding the trade which I've took, which can have such kind of thing. Mm, the four, yeah, should wait for the candlestick close. Okay, so if I show you in backtesting mode, probably. Oh, oh yeah, I mean, mm, how can I show you? Oh yeah, look at this. This is the lower night. This is the high rise actually. Oh, very good. High rise. So I forgot about it. I'm actually not look. I mean, I should be looking. Man, this is close. This has close bearish. 1 hour shifted bearish, but I will not take this trade because of the new thing which I have learned. Hold on. Yeah, I do have the note of it. Structure. Yes, exactly. If the 4 hours while retracement have created the higher I wicks using only wicks, then you should avoid taking a sell. Look at this. This is the exact perfect example. This is 4 hours lower low. This is 4 hours. Sorry, this is a 4 hours lower low, and this is a 4 hours lower high. We close with the wicks. It little bit gone bit down, but then it again come up and it stays sideways for a whole fucking time. So as per the data, where the fuck it gone? We should not take the sell trade. Okay. So what are we waiting for down there? So we were waiting. Now we should be waiting for the 4 hours candlestick close above this candle and then shift bearish. And then we can able to take the trade to the downside. It should not do like this. It should be, it should like come down and then go up and then come down and then shift retracement. Over here we're going to take the trade to the downside. This is what probably I'm waiting for right now. Look at this. like 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 just wanted to prove you guys that this trade is not going to work. Let's place the risks reward ratio tool. Let's pretend that we have took this trade. I'm super sleepy. Should I sleep? Should I don't go to the office? Should I take the holiday? I really wanted to take this holiday, but what man? And what stage I am right now? What I should be doing and what I'm doing right now? Okay, so third minute also shifted bearish, but this trade is not valid. Look at this. Easy stop loss is going to get it. But still, we are pretending that we're going to take this trade. I know this trade is not valid. That's why I'm not taking on my funded account, not taking on the challenge account. But still, let's imagine if we took this trade, what is going to get happen? Let's see. So this will be our entry down there, and the stop loss. The stop loss is going to be this high. Okay, and we're going to add the 14 pips into that. Okay, 14 pips, 9.5 plus 14, 9.5 plus 10, 19.5, 20.5, 21.5, 22.5, 23.5, 23.5. So yeah, the 23. So technically this is a stop loss and this is going to be our take profit. A very good trade is coming around. Just need a shift of structure. That's it. So now I'm very curious about this. This trade is not going to work, and I am not taking this trade. I'm just keeping the risks reward ratio tool to see if it is going to work or not. Okay. You know what? I don't feel like to go to the job. Should I take the holiday? Should I? Should I? Should I? Should I? I'm thinking, can I able to take the holiday? I really want to. I really want a little bit sleep. 6:35. Even if I'm going to take the holiday, I won't. I won't be able to sleep. I have to do this trading thing. Holiday. What situation I am in, yeah? What the fuck situation I am in? I should be in Dubai, New York, sitting in the penthouse and deciding where I want to go. Either downtown LA or New York Hudson River. Downtown LA is in LA, Los Angeles. And what I'm deciding right now, oh, should I go to job or should I take the holiday? This thing is going to get changed for sure. I know this thing is going to change. This thing is going to get changed. So, um, what is? So I'm not going to take this trade for sure. We'll look into it. Any other trades are there or not? In temporary. Euro JPY. We'll look into it. Okay. So we're waiting for the week into this. But the daily candlestick close above this area of interest, turning me off. Also, this is a bit weird. Okay, AUD USD. This is USD, man. How to come? It is going up. So it is creating a new high, huh? Okay, I'm not interested in this. USD CAD, it is beautiful trade, man. It is beautiful. It is now what is going to get happen. It is going to go up right now. Before we do that, third image is bullish, third image is about to be bearish. But this right there is the thing that is going to get happen. 4 hours is bullish. If I could able to take this trade, I would easily take this trade right now, because this trade is right now is going to pump to the upside, but as per price action it is doesn't looks good to me. Higher high, higher low, shifting bearish, huh? Oh my goodness. But it is very much ready to take the trade. Very much. We just need like some kind of shift. If the candlestick close above this candle, we can easily enter into this trade, but I can't. These trades are just for prediction, not for entry. Okay. Next is CHF which is exactly oh, also JPY currency. Okay, so we have decided to come to the area of interest. We candlestick close on the area of interest. So now pretty much we can easily push to the downside. Beautifully created the doji candle. Oh my god, I don't want to go to this job. Our has shifted bullish. Mm, this is bullish. BULLISH. Exactly. So weekly is bullish. Weekly is bullish. Daily is bearish, and the 4 hours got bullish. That means this trade is not ready to go down completely. It is going to come little bit up here, and then it is going to come up. Then it is going to shift, and then it is going to push to the downside. So pretty much I'm not going to take this trade. Okay, I'm not going to take this trade. Yeah, I'm just not going to take this trade. Look at this. This is also saying to us, because we need a two time frames in saying, like, both time frames should be bearish. Any of two, like right now we have one bullish, one bullish. The same exact way we should be having the two bearish, but we don't have two bearish in our hand. So this is also JPY currency saying that it's going to go up. GBPUSD, I'm pretty much not interested in this. Absolutely not. I just need a 4 hour shifted bearish, then I will be able to. So, this is it. Signing off. The question is, should I don't go to this job, stay at home, and sleep a bit, and then continue continue to the trading study, and should I don't go to the job today? By going to the job, even we are studying in our for ourselves. 90% of the percent of time, I'm just studying of myself. Gym and I'm reading book and something like that. But if I stay home, I can able to sleep a bit because my eyes are super dry. Let me analyze this scenario. If an Andrew Tate or some billionaire is in my shoes right now, would they will be take the holiday or go to the job? As per the Andrew Tate, we're gonna have to do the things regardless of how we feel. That means I have to go to the job regardless of how I feel. Things must be done. So I can skip the job if I just ask to a millionaire guy. But if I am normal with this, I would think about don't go to the job. And the fucking decision I'm taking is a bullshit decision. But I want to match things with the millionaire people. So if an Andrew Tate is in my shoe right now, he will be still be thinking that I have to do this thing regardless of how I feel. So I have to do this again. So then I have to also do this thing regardless of how I feel. I need to go to this bullshit job. Alright, boys, this is what it is. Man, this video was just in the morning only. This video started with 22 minutes of time. Alright, signing off. I'm not going to take this straight for sure. As per the learnings, I have learned a lot. Beautiful trade, beautiful, but I just can't take this straight. There were hold on. Alex Aldrich Public. My Aldrich Public. No. Alex and my Aldrich Public. No, not buy. There was sell trade. We just came and we shifted. Oh yeah. Let's get another one alarm. This is the buy. 4 hours. It's getting low, higher. I'm fucking tired, yaar. Alex. Yeah, look at this. Look at this. Now we'll be able to understand some scenarios right there. Okay, this was a lower high. That's why we able to take this trade. Yeah. Right now, nothing is pretty much. This is a lower high. We can do it. Let me confirm once again. We weak into it. We weak into it. I confirm it 2 times. We weak into it. It's not good. Not my type. Right, boys. This is it. This is it. Signing off. Um, as per the annotate, I should be going to the job. Even if I hate the most, I have to do the things which is need to be done. Or else I'm training myself wrongly. Then I pretty much can do anything. Which technically I'm not in a position where I can do anything because I'm fucking poor. So I have to do the things regardless of how I feel. Let's do this. Let's go to this bullshit job which I fucking hate the most. Signing off. Alright, boys, as you can have seen, successfully done. Let me just close this. So now it's 6:47. I really going to do this job. Fuck it. Let's go. But what we'll do, we'll do both scenario. Right now it's 47, right? Yeah, 47. We'll sleep like this only till 7 o'clock, and then we'll start getting ready. Then till 7:45 we'll get ready. What ways remaining? Brushing, shower, and ironing clothes. We'll take 15 slot, and that's it. We'll get ready. So we'll satisfy both of the scenario. Alright, signing off. I'm not like this every time. I'm fucking energetic guy, but just because of my I'm giving excuses, but I don't want to give excuses. Morning, it's 8:16. Back again. We are back going to the fucking job, and guess what? I'm fucking got late. I'm done with this job thing. Who in the fucking world? How in the fucking world that someone is controlling me? Let's go, man. Let's go. After coming back, I'm really going to focus on my trading study as fast as possible, as quick as possible. Signing off. That's all I wanted to say. And I still hate the job. I'm in a position where I have to do the bullshit job, which I don't want to. Either look at this. Look at the view, man. Wow. Like it's like a I don't know how I can say. It's like a spaceship or something like that. So we came upside. Now let's study over here as well, man. I'm learning a lot again. The view. Look at this. Oh my god. Look at this. 3, 2, 1. Holy shit. कसलं दंड आहे तुकडा पडला माझ्या पायाचा. This is a bullshit thing. What happens is over here that I have literally saved a lot of this, like a 2-3 trades, which is not now reflecting. It is not even reflecting now, and not even what it is. Not even a draft section as well. I mean, crazy, right? Fuck, man. Should we just continue to use this, or should we don't? And look at this. Look at this. Look at the view. Oh, look at that eye. Eyes coming of the sun. So brutally honest. That was study, my dear brother. That was study. It should be like this, yeah. This chill out songs, the sunset, the beautiful clouds. It feels like I'm literally going to, I mean, walk into my private jet and going to fly into the sky. You saw that? You saw that? That bird is flying. Wow, this is so good. But a matter of fact, my eyes are into here. Let's do it. Okay, look at this. So, I will just reduce this voice. I don't know copyright is going to come or not. This is not a actual. This is just a back testing. I will show you the actual trade which is happening right now. So look at this. I predicted this motherfucking move, and now we are going to miss this. But this right there is just a study because as per the data, when the 4 hours shifted bullish on the area of interest, it tends to go up. Okay, so I will wait for the candlestick closer below this candle and then retrace to over here, and then we can easily take the sell trade from here to here. This is what I'm actually looking, but what the fuck? Wait, I didn't turn on the camera to shoot this. I did turn on the camera to shoot this. My prediction was exactly correct, yeah. Like my prediction over here, like look at over here, my prediction was exactly correct. Over on odd GPY, the exact this is a backtesting of almost 2023 data. Okay, I'm practicing. I'm getting my skill good. So look at this. This is also the trade which we have missed. Okay, so you can't able to see. Let's go on GBP USD only. Look at this, yeah. We got every single thing what we want from here. Even we got the 1 hour, 1 minute shift of structure from the area of interest. Just I haven't took the trade because we were creating the lower lows and lower highs and lower lows. So it must keep continue to upside until it just breaks up. So I the point of shooting this scenario is the reason that I'm kinda getting understanding of brother. Hey, you are giving so much confluences that means so much you have so much big checklist that checklist is not getting shown every single week on the market, but when it is get shown, then you probably 99% guarantee that you will make money. But what is the chances of getting shown that checklist, that whole means just sound very, how I can say to you, like I have a very big list of the things which I need to see before I take the trade, and that is the reason I have missed a lot of trades. Probably in Euro JPY as well. No, Euro JPY we're waiting for it. USD CAD is a trade we kinda getting messed up. Look at this over here. In previous week, I have missed almost $28,000. I have predicted every single move. So I just haven't took the trade because I didn't got the setup which I should be seeing to take the trade. This music, this the background music is just matching. When I'm speaking something serious, it's just like. So now, what I am going to do, I will, you know what? Stop loss, take profit. It's just so much. I don't know, yeah. I just don't know. Should I start again and should I, like take the all the trades again? And I'm getting angry on me only. Fuck. Because I'm, it's not a problem of like where the market is going to go. I know exactly where the market is going to go. But the thing is, how I can get get into that, get into market which is going to go up. That is only the problem. And if I'm adding a lot of constraints over there, that hey, I need this candle, I need this, it doesn't form, still it is going up. Crazy, right? And from like almost 3-4 months, I haven't took the high probable trade for 4 fucking months. I haven't saw the pattern which is going to now see. Every single thing on JPUSD is looking good. Every single thing. Weekly, daily comes on the area of interest. We're getting shift of structure on the daily. So now the like someone someone put the leg in middle of my trade. This motherfucking 4 hour. 4 hour for no reason got bullish. 4 hour for no reason just got bullish. Which is as per the data, when the 4 hours get bullish on the area of interest, it must continue to wrong direction rather than continue to right direction. Ah, that one piece of puzzle it get joined now. I know where the market is going to go. That one piece of puzzle, only one piece of puzzle. I don't know. Should I restart it again? See, my trades are also, my analysis is also getting matched. The green flag is my and his analysis is getting matched. Almost 60% match rate I have. The question is, should I restart again? But you know what? I will just hold on. Just fucking hold on. I will just hold this phone over here and keep the phone on charge. Right there. So as an entrepreneur, I understand. I know if there is a problem, how we can solve it. So go based to the problem. Where the pillow gone? No? What the fuck? Okay. I'm like, where the fuck pillow is? Come on, man. Come on. You can do it. Okay, there is no hard thing. There is nothing hard. Okay. How to get good in this? Hold on. Pause. Every single music is pause. Because right now I need to do the brainstorming with you. Okay. Yeah, I'm a bodybuilder. Look at that. I wouldn't do the gym from 2 months, 3 months maybe. Okay, so now let's actually talk with ChatGPT because I want to I want a professional like consulting about this. Still connecting. Can you able to see? Probably. Oh, let's do this. Let's do like this. think so. I should restart again until until my and his pinpoint analysis is not going to get correct. I just can't move ahead. And I can see because I'm super in a hurry. It is still loading. I'm in super hurry to finish the lectures and just kinda ignoring the things which is need to be done. Okay, motherfucker is still getting load, man. To pause, bro. I need. That is the reason, like the mentorship is super needed. If we got the mentorship, we can fucking talk with them rather than wasting time. Hey there.
Hey there, I'm glad you're here. What's on your mind today?
Hey, listen, ChatGPT. There is a big issue right here. Okay, so see, like I am using the set and forget strategy. Okay, so now what is happening in a current scenario that I'm predicting the market, but I'm missing the move. So what I decided that just go back in time and pretty much go and do the practice until you get good. So now, the best part is the set and forget strategy. That is what is getting created by Alex G. I have his every single Sunday's analysis video for just like for 6 months from 2022 to 2023. So see again there as well. I and his match rate. Okay, my matching analysis versus his matching analysis is almost we can talk about like 60 to 70% match rate. Okay, so now I'm just like pretty like the problem of where market is going to go is solved. The next problem is I am just not able to enter into the market because how can I say to you, man, I'm predicting the market to the perfection. Market is exactly doing the things which is wanted to go. Like if I said market is going to go up, market is do going up. But it is just like the entry getting into that train is the hardest part right now for me. Even like for example, I am adding a lot more confidences into this, like a lot more whole list. Like I need 15-minute engulfing, I need 30-minute bullish, I'm at this and I'm in that. Okay, but like 50% of time it is not even happening, and still the market is moving to the direction where I have predicted. And Alex is taking that trade, man. I mean, crazy. Sometimes Alex take, sometimes Alex not. So I'm just like, if I'm predicting the market, I must be entering into the market, whatever it is. So tell me, like, consult me, like, what I should do. Should I now I have finished the 2022 November to 2023 January, this 3 months of practice with Alex recordings basically. So what I should do, like until and unless I didn't get exactly the result which I wanted, repeat that same thing, or just keep moving ahead until I will get fit into that frequency. Tell me, what do you think on this? Consult me, please.
It sounds like you're doing a solid job reading the market direction, but execution is your sticking point. My honest take, you can only build that entry confidence through repeated exposure to real time decisions. If your match rate is already strong, you're not lacking understanding, you're likely overthinking or hesitating at the critical moment. I'd say keep moving forward through your practice, but add an intentional focus on execution. Maybe set rules. If conditions meet your criteria, you must take the trade, even if it's a small position. The goal is to desensitize yourself to the fear of entry. Over time, that fluency comes.
What the fuck? Um, you, I mean, I personally like what I like. Consult me, okay? Please correct me if I'm wrong. What I'm feeling right now is again restart the journey, and again see each and every single things what he's doing, which I'm already doing. But the question is the entry. I only have the analysis video. The entry is there is no video of entry. Now what I should do, man?
I get it. Seeing the entry in action would be a game changer, but you've only got the analysis. If you've already matched the direction well, this is where you have to trust your own judgment. Instead of restarting from scratch, focus on building an entry trigger playbook. Define conditions, maybe a price action pattern or a technical signal that forces your hand. Then start small and track those entries. The discomfort won't vanish overnight, but you'll refine your timing through real practice. Don't chase perfection, chase consistent action and learning.
So, I mean, what do you want me to do? Should I go back and restart, or should I keep continue to do this? But if I just keep continue to do this, I will be continuing the wrong thing.
I don't think you need to restart everything. You already have a solid foundation. Instead, keep moving forward but tweak your approach. As you analyze each new week, focus on defining a simple, repeatable entry rule, almost mechanical. Then test it. You're not repeating the wrong thing if you're evolving your method. Think of it as a live experiment. You won't get it perfect immediately, but adjusting as you go is how you'll refine your execution. Stick with it.
Mm.
Yeah, I know it's frustrating, but trust yourself to adapt along the way. You're closer than you think. Just keep refining as you go.
Um, Pretty much.
Of course, whenever you want to talk through your next step or if you just need a gut check, I'm here.
Come on, man! I have to take this decision within next 30 seconds. You know what I personally feel like? I should restart it again and do it again until and unless I think like him, because I have the 6 months of data of our trades, like of his analysis. Okay, so if I'm just wasting 3 months of data, the remaining 3 months will be the same. I mean, yeah, we'll be improving, but the backtested data will be, like not that accurate. So I personally feel like I should restart it again and pretty much do it again until I get the things which I pretty much see.
If restarting gives you clarity and a fresh mindset, go for it. But keep in mind there's no perfect mirror to someone else's entries. Each round, focus more on how you'll act when you see your signals, not just his. You can restart, but don't chase perfection. Chase progress.
What do you mean? What do you mean by that?
I mean, even if you go back and review everything, you'll never replicate someone else's exact mindset or every nuance. But what you can do is refine your own decision process. If a fresh run helps you spot patterns or build your entry confidence, that's great. Just don't get stuck trying to become someone else. Use it to shape your own method and keep moving forward.
See, um, currently what is happening is that I'm adding a lot more into the list of the things which I need to see before I take the trade. But in the backtesting scenario, like if I'm still continuing to do that. But if we talk about Alex, he is like he is just keep, like if I like he is not looking for a lot of things. He's just looking for one or two things and then enter.
If you notice that simplicity works for Alex, it's a clue. Overloading conditions might be giving you analysis paralysis. So maybe you simplify your list. Pick just a few core signals, like Alex does, and trust them. The goal is to create a repeatable, confident process, one that fits you. Start small, stay consistent, and let your experience refine it.
I want a quick thing here. Can you please repeat every single thing again and just give me the final fucking answer as per the data, not as per the feelings, as per the data. What I should be doing.
All right, straight to the point. Based on what you said, you already have a strong predictive accuracy, 60 to 70% match. The data is telling you your direction analysis is solid. What's lacking is execution. So, rather than restarting endlessly, use the data to narrow your entry triggers. Test a simple, consistent rule for entering. The data shows you're reading market direction well. Now refine the entry process based on that. Keep practicing forward, not circling back.
Okay. Okay.
I am glad we could distill it down. Trust yourself to move forward, and don't hesitate to tweak as you go. You've got this.
You know what? I am right now thinking, right? Hey, restarted every single thing again, and pretty much I am right now on the place where I have like a 24 videos, okay, of his analysis. So I'm just in a hurry to finish two videos in a day, which is achievable because I just have like 5 hours, 5 hours in my hand after this bullshit motherfucking job. So, um, like, tell me, I right now I'm feeling like to do his the golden video where his analysis, his every single thing is going to get recapped and again restart the journey back again.
If revisiting those key videos gives you clarity, then sure, go for it. But do it with purpose. Don't just repeat for repetition's sake. Pinpoint what you're looking to refine. Once you do that, set a timeline, like your 2 videos a day, and then move forward. The goal is to refine, not get stuck in loops. Once you've done that recap, you take action on the next step. No more resets after that.
Makes sense. Okay, let's sum it up. Any final answers you have? Like you want to say anything?
You've got the plan now. Final thought, don't aim for perfection, aim for progress. Once you recap, move forward. Trust yourself, take those entries, and keep learning. You've got this.
All right. All right. So what he is saying, I'm talking with you. But look at this. This thing is coming back to the entry because the 4 hours is bullish. I mean, I said exactly what is going to get happen. Like you nagged me. I'm missing the motherfucking tricks from like 4 months. Now the psychology is like disturbed like anything. No, trading psychology book is not. Still have to think like a trader. You see, I am so. I mean, the problem is right here that क्या यार, before 2025 end, it was so brutally awesome. But 2025 end and 2026 started. Every single thing shifted, yeah. The market scenarios, the market structures, the market rules, every single thing. Probably because you know what? Because I have backtested the scenario yeah, 2022 to 2023 June, from November 2022 to June 2023. So probably I have seen this December and January for once, but I think so I should be also doing the 2024 January and 2025 January, so that I can have the full, full fledged experience in my hand. Um, I don't know. You know what? Every single thing looks good to me. Oh God. I'm literally getting have to make a decision what I should be doing. This is the exact craziest trade we should be looking for, you know? Look at this. The problem is, yeah, we'll be missing a lot more trades in the life. Exactly. But the problem is that I'm missing a trade from 4 months. Okay? And I shouldn't. I shouldn't. I think I need to reset again because I have just picked this is like see how I can tell to you. This is strategy. Very much ups and down, ups and down, ups and downs. I just pick the thing which is just making money. That is the daily, weekly, 4 hours. I need this candle. I need this candle. When this scenario is, I'm saying, then it is very. Noko te patila. Noko. Then it is very much 99% of time we make money. But the scenario we can see over here, the scenario I can able to picturize. God, that disturbed. I just lose the link. Fuck. I fucking forgot what I was talking about. Just because of someone picked me up. I was thinking about. I can talk whatever it want. But let's discuss. Let's sum it up as well. It took 26 minutes, man. I need to catch this. I really need. I will show you. I really need to catch this trade. The question is why I haven't able to catch this trade. I must be able to catch this trade. Okay, because if I'm missing one of the trade, that means I will miss bunch of trades. And guess what? I will be missing. I'm missing from 4 months. Okay, so I'm just taking. Yeah, I got it. I just took a very high probable scenario that when this happens, 99% chances that we'll make money for sure. But if this doesn't happen, then we'll not take the trade. That is a scenario is happening for 4 fucking months. I won't fucking take the trade, man. I did wrong trading. That is the reason. I need to be. I need to do this. I'm. Uh, I'm going back in time. Okay. I'm again resetting every single thing. My whole 1 week struggling gone to zero. I really don't want this. I'm fucking rushing my time. I'm super rushing the things. Rushing is equals to low quality learning is equals to very low quality learnings. I need to see every single scenario and think like this is a real market. And TradingView have done the very great update in that when I'm on this point and if I go on a higher time frame, previously it was showing the future which I shouldn't been seen because if I'm doing the backtesting. Right now it just exactly the things arrive like it doesn't show the future, so it has updated. Okay, now I have to sum this up what I should be doing. Okay, let's come with the two columns. If I restart again, I will be learning every single thing again. I will be having a double practice. I will be now we are also going to do the lecture back again. It will just take like 2 hours to 3 hours maximum, like a whole night is going to get included in this. I will be again repeating every single thing again. The only like there is very much pros. The only con is over here. That is there is mosquito. There is mosquito. Oh fuck. The only con is over here that it will take time. The only con. And I think so I need to reschedule again because within 3 hours, I mean, 3 hours is sufficient for 1 week, man. 1 week of data analysis. I need a whole day. No, no, no. If I said it will require 3 hours, it will require three. If I say I need a whole day, it will require a whole day. I gone through this. I'm still working on how I can make this. See, I'm recording the timer as well when I'm doing the backtesting. Each currency, how much time it is taking. Now what we should be doing? Oh yeah, so that is what we're going to discuss. So, are we going to go back? So yeah, that is the con. Yeah, we were on to the dividation. Man, look at this. I'm jumping from topics. We're pros and cons. Con is just it is going to take time, but the time it is going to take, it is going to have the quality output. And if I keep continue from over here, I already have lost my half. Not we can say half. How much data? It is of 9, right? From 24, 9 is gone. 24, 28, 9 is gone. So almost pretty much 30% of 30% of data will be just losing of the videos for no reason. I think so. I need to get master in this first of all thing. First thing I need to get master the entry exit. Stop loss take profit. आपल्याकडे नाही आप आपल्याकडे नाहीये आपलं लोखंडाचं वाजल लाकडाचं नाही वाजणार so I'm going to restart. Yeah, because the pros are very good. The con is only the time is going to get double pretty much. And if I just keep continue, first of all the con, like it started with the con only. There is no pros. I mean, there is literally I just can't see if I just keep continue to do this. I will I will not learn. I mean, I probably will learn, but in coming videos later on, which will be it will be learning only, but there is will be no practice because I don't see that things, new things repeatedly, pretty much. Okay, so I'm coming to this is 32 minutes, man. Fuck for this meeting, it took 32 minutes. I'm coming for the conclusion over here that should I really go back and again? I will waste my 2 weeks. 2 weeks of not sleeping. Okay, I haven't decided. I decided. Let's go back. Let's do this. I've decided to do it. I decided to do this lecture back again. I'm going to download this video. Wait a minute. Okay. So I'm actually downloading the lecture back again. The golden video. That one video is summarizing whole strategy of 2024. Also, I'm going to download the 2025 whole summary of strategy. It is true that we'll not be able to take all of the trades, but that trade was exactly prediction. Now, like the problem is still there. Okay, doing the backtesting, the problem should we get to learn and resolve the problem. The problem is motherfucking still there. I have predicted this more than why in the world I won't be able to take that trade. what makes me not take that trade? First of all, the 15 minute is bearish, and the stop loss is too big, the take profit is too small. That is the only reason. How, what if we just keep continue to do this? Then if the take profit is small, take profit is small, then how, where we should keep the stop loss to make that take profit make sense? Right, every single thing I need to learn again. Oh, look at this. This looks beautiful. So we could easily take the stop loss of the 30-minute time frame. I mean, yeah, look at this. This is what, like, you know what? I will just write it down what I need to learn again. Like, where to keep the stop loss, where to actually keep the take profit, and so much, a lot of things I need. I'm going to look into it back again. This was a profitable trade, yeah. Look at this. This right there was a profitable trade. Every single thing we want, we have. The only thing was a stop loss is right here, which was making that trade almost 1:1. But if I just take the stop loss of the 30-minute time frame, which is not that actual stop loss, but if we just I see, like, what Alex, the question, like, the problem is what he thought, no, what he taught. Let's make it more simple. What he teach versus what he do is nearly 90% flip. Because if he says like you need to have the stop loss right here in one video, in other video he keep the stop loss right here, it makes the confusion. Holy shit! He said this into the previous video that stop loss must be over here, and now he's keeping over here. What the fuck? What we should be doing? Should I keep over here? I want that thing, you know. Okay. So I decided it is getting downloaded. Oh, look at this. Pretty much it is getting downloaded. So yeah, boys. Um, yeah, we are restarting again. But this rest, like, every single thing happens for a reason. Okay, and also yesterday I again got missed. Let it finish. Let this whistle get finished. I get distracted with the Mamba FX strategy. That strategy works. I tried it. I tested it. Yes, I did. It did work. But as per the scaling plan, it doesn't work at all. Because we need to execute almost within a pretty much seconds, and the stop loss is super tight that I don't know, yeah, because we in future will be going to manage almost like a 20 to 30 accounts of pro firms to actually make sense for shifting to New York or Dubai or Canada. I will. I don't know, man. I just have, like, I have seen the New York and then Dubai comes, but I will still lean to the New York. I don't know why, but I don't know. I just feel like New York. I wanna go there. I wanna stay there. I wanna shift there. So this is what I'm going to conclude. That is, yeah. So I was talking about the Mamba effects, right? So yeah, I got distracted, but now I'm going to literally write a later. If I get distracted, I'm going to get out from my trading plan, which is 100% proven. Okay, because like, why in the world I'm just caring about that one trade? Why in the world I'm just caring about that one trade? Because there are numbers and numbers of trade I have missed right now. The second thing is, in the backtesting as well. I haven't took a trade for pretty much like 1 week, and that's fine. 1 week trading is completely fine. But what I have predicted has happened now. I must be taking the fucking trade. I must be ending up in profit. If I'm predicting the market is going to go up and market literally gone up, I must make money here. And this problem is actually getting arrived right here. I'm predicting the market from like November 2025, December 2025, January 2026, February 2026, March 2026, exactly uh, near about 90%. So why not I won't be able to take a single amount of trade, because there is no setup. I mean, the setup is there, but I do know that particular setup, which is what I'm going to get learned. All right, boys. So this is it. Signing off. Just wanted to tell you that this we are going to restarting again. So play. Before I do this, I will download the other 2025 lecture as well. So yeah, peace, peace. I have to close this lab. Yeah, you got it right. I have, and now I need to close that light as well. I have decided to go do the lecture again, because if I'm not able to understand the exact scenario, I hit load dim lights. I like lights, fresh lights, because if I were having understanding the exact scenario, maybe probably we can get the whole thing back again. What I mean by every single thing what I'm talking about, that maybe I will get the information that is being taught in this lecture. So look at this. This is what I'm actually looking into. This is a free Telegram group where he have literally have shared the. Are you gonna help with? Share the lectures, real lectures for free. I'm not gonna lie, but now I need to see what date it was, and pretty much what I'm actually looking with you all guys. So yeah, oh yeah. You can see the date 2024. Okay, so I have done the 2023, 2024, and this is probably as well 2024. Probably, probably not. I think so. It's a 20. No. It's a 2025. Oh yeah, exactly. This is that right there is a lecture of 2025. I remember. He flip it at 2024 and the start of the 2025. He done this lecture. Okay, so like there is a scenario. I mean, see, I don't know how I correctly understand it. Let me selfie cam. It feels good. So, pretty much in swing trading, I'm master it. Just come to the area of interest, give the higher candlestick rejection, and then just take the trade. Pretty much. But in a lower time frame scenario, I'm just not doing good. In the lower time frame scenario means I need, if I'm waiting for this weekly candlestick closer, it is taking weeks and even probably months, which is going to take a lot more time. So how how he actually do the trading at this particular gap, where he will not be waiting for months, he will take the trade. And also while prediction, also while entering into the trade, what he is actually looking, I mean I think every single thing no. Still, I'm predicting the market to the perfection, that is all, but I won't be able to enter into the market. That means I am still lacking some information, because if I were having the information, I would easily enter into that trade. That right there is the gap, information gap. So this is it. Let's do the lecture. So we are actually going to start with it's just gonna take a lot more time, almost like a 1 month is going to go with this lecture part. I don't have this much time, yeah. 1 month. This job is almost taking me a lot more time, yeah. Please, please, kick me off from the job. Kick me. I can't even resign, because then mom, dad will scold me. If they, if a company resign me, then I will be having the something to say to my mom, that hey, they resign me, because I need a full focus time in this and doing the lecture, because if I don't do this lecture, I can't become millionaire or even financially free pretty soon. I have to manage the time. Signing off. Let's start the lecture. We'll talk later. Brother, look at this. I'm doing the lecture again, and look at the time. It's 11:16. I am right now super tired, super ready to sleep like anything, but I'm not going to sleep at all. Fucking going to finish this. I'm going to shoot the time lapse, because I'm sleeping like anything, but I'm focused. There, I I shooted the time lapse, and I'm a bit shocked about that. I was sleeping 90% of time, and 10% of the hours I was awake. Fuck. And it's 11:30 right now. Should we conclude this video or finish this? Let's finish this. We're gonna have to do the things regardless of how we feel. Look at my eyes again. Fucking red. I don't want this red eyes to continue, because that will be worst play.